Guys, welcome to a Fifa 14 series. Sorry if the screen's a bit light. I don't have the best camera because my camera is an iPad.
And there we go. It's actually found a whole lot of stuff. That is a really cool one, just kind of hollowing out from the ground, I guess. And yeah, that's a pretty awesome one. So moving on, we are now on the multiply TNT, which requires 4 bone meal, 4 golden ingots, and 1 TNT times 5 to create. Now I'm not sure which one does either, but let's go. Nice and golden, and let's see what happens. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. What did it do? Oh, I remember this one. This one actually explodes as a normal TNT, just a little bit more powerful, but will actually drop double the block. So the block that is exploded will normally drop, it's actually dropped double of them. So as you can see, there's going to be 2 levers down there because it exploded the lever, and there's going to be a lot of sand there. So there we go. That is the multiply TNT. And now let's move on to the cubic TNT and see what happens to this one. To craft it, you're going to need just cobblestone all the way around a TNT times 5. So let's try this one out. This is going to be beautiful. Oh my god, please be awesome. Ah, yes, it wasn't too awesome, but it creates a nice little square, which kind of makes the foundations of a dungeon that you can create, a basement that you could create. Another nice, useful TNT, which this mod does have a lot of. So up next, we're going to be erupting TNT. This one could be awesome. We're going to need 1 fire charge and 1 compact TNT. Let's see what happens to this one. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. This is, oh, God. That was... Oh, I can't explain how beautiful that was. Oh my god, this sand falling from the sky somehow. That was so
Don't worry about
my cry. That was amazing. I love that. Let's do that again.
And that's the end.
Oh my god, it kind of spewed out all of these TNTs into the air. Just like firework night, and they just explode on contact with the floor. Yes, that is my favourite one by far. That is cool. So now we're going to move on to a couple more TNTs, and that'll be it. Suffocate, spider. Suffocate. Right then, I've got my TNT in hand. Let's quickly time set to 0, and the next one is chemical TNT, which requires a water bucket, 1 gunpowder, 1 redstone, and a TNT times 100. So this one could be pretty destructive. So let's find out. It's a really cool colour. I like the colour of it. Let's go. Oh, it's disappeared. Where's it gone? Oh, it's gone into the air. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh my god, that was cool. That was really cool. These TNTs are so awesome. Wow, look how far down it went as well. Wow, that was cool. It kind of goes up, plows itself into the ground and destroys everything in its path. A beautiful TNT. Right, next, floating TNT requires feather and a TNT times 20. Let's go for this one. I think this one jumps in the air and then explodes. Here we go. Look at that float. It's floating. It's going up. It's going to explode. Boom. So it's actually a powerful one that goes up. Look at that sand, it's all destroyed. Oh wow, it destroys the floor a lot as well. Wow,
oh no, we have to go
I like that one. It kind of floats pretty creepily into the air, so you could float it up into someone's house, which could be awesome, and then destroy it. Very, very cool. So up next, freeze TNT, which is going to require snowball, water bucket, and a TNT times 20. So you can kind of gauge how big the explosion is going to be by what TNT you need to use. Nice blue particles out the top there, and here we go. Ah yes, there's just a load of ice spawned in. Very cool for trolling your friends. Up next is timer TNT, which is going to require just a TNT times 5 and redstone. And this one actually indicates when it's going to explode a lot easier. So activate it and it will turn to green, which is okay. And then I think it turns to yellow and then red. So green is okay, it's safe, you can still have time to run away. Then it should turn to yellow. There we go. Right on cue. That was beautiful. Which means you need to move pretty quickly. And then it'll turn to red, which means get out. It's going to explode. So there, it's like a normal TNT, but just has an indication of when it's going to explode, which is pretty cool. Next, we have reaction TNT. Requires a compact TNT and a chemical TNT. And let's see what happens. I wonder how many times I've said TNT in this episode. But anyway, let's go for it. Nice particles again out the top. And what's going to happen? Oh wow. Oh wow. Ow, why is it hurting me? Oh Jesus.
No, you're not.
What? What is it doing? That just kind of spawned TNT absolutely everywhere. That was cool as well. I like that one. Look what we've done to this world. It's insane. But that one was pretty cool. I like that one. Very nice. Next, animal TNT. This one is going to be hilarious. So let's find out what it's going to do. Let's do it over here to try and stop stuff from falling in those massive craters. And here we go, a brown TNT. Actually, to craft it, you're going to need a piece of raw meat from everything, including a zombie and a normal TNT. And this one's going to be unique and cool. I'm not sure how it works, but here we go. I know what happens. But there we go. It actually does spawn 2
I'm
of
recording
every
the thing.
mob in the game, apart from stuff like the Ender Dragon and crazy stuff. So there you go. Look at that. Villagers, we got pigs, we got fish, we got blazes, we got endermen, we got creepers, even witches. That is a very, very cool TNT. Very unique as well. So next we're going to move on to one that is going to be really awesome. It's the Floating Island TNT. So let's go for that one and see what happens. Here we go. This one is cool. I like how this is going to turn out. So to craft it, you're actually going to need 2 multiplied TNT and a floating TNT, which will make sense in a second. Because this one will actually take the ground below it, copy it, and then kind of explode it into there. You'll see in a minute. Here we go. It's frozen a little bit. There we go. Look. Oh my god, that is crazy cool. It's copied all of the stuff except for all the precious ores like diamonds. So if you place a diamond ore down there, it won't copy any of that, but it'll copy iron and coal and stuff like that. And look how cool that is. Oh my god. It's so awesome. Look at all the stuff spawning below it though. Lines up below before you live in here, but you can create your own floating island. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right, moving on, and we're getting near the end now. We've got a couple more after this. We're on TNT fireworks. So to craft this, you're going to need a lot of compact TNT, 1 TNT times 5, and a fireworks star. So this one seems interesting. I feel like we should do it at night just to see what happens. Here we go. Let's light this bad boy into, oh my god, into the air it goes, and oh jeez, oh no, everything's gonna die. That was cool. I like that one too. It kind of fired in the air, exploded loads of TNT, and they sprayed all around, and they're still coming down. When are you gonna stop? That was cool. I like that one a lot, and it's actually exploded some of our floating islands and little chunks. Right. Oh, it's still coming down. Oh no, how long is this gonna last? It's still coming down. Are you done? Are you done? No, here we go. Are you done now? Now? No? I don't know. We're just going to have to deal with this, I'm afraid. Oh, God. And to finish off at this video, we have just 1 TNT left, which is Gravity TNT and requires 1 apple and an Ender Bomb. Why have I not used that one? I used the Ender Bomb. It's because I've only just searched TNT. Right, let's try the Ender Bomb out. Let's do it. Ender Bomb requires 1 TNT and an Ender Pearl. Let's see what happens with this one. I already know what happens. It's going to be cool. You're going to need to stand on top of it, and you'll see why. So let's just light this bad boy. Stand on top of it and see what happens. Yes, really cool. I like the purple at the top. Here we go. Ah, yes. Oh, God. No way. I didn't think it was. That was awesome. Oh, my God. So be very careful of this one. This one is pretty insane. I'm going to see if it works on mobs as well. And fire. Let's try to see what happens. It actually fires a long way. There's no damage whatsoever. But just be careful. Oh, God. Yep. It fires me a long way. A long, long way. Did it happen to the mobs as well? I'm not sure, but still, a very, very cool piece of TNT. Now, I'm just going to check that I'm not missing any, so let me just quickly check what we've got here. Am I missing any? We've got nuclear waste. Easter egg, haven't tried that one, that's going to be interesting. Sand, firework, what else have we got? There we go, I think we've got how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So let's go for the sand firework. This one could be cool. Let's go for it. To craft it, you're going to need, how many sand is that? That's 7 sand, 1 TNT times 5 and a firework star. So this one could be as cool as the one we looked at before. Yeah. Oh, yes, this is going to fire sand everywhere, isn't it? Oh, God, that's cool. I like that a lot. Oh, I like so many of these.
It was Grimsday.
It was the 8th of November, quite a few years ago, when I received one of the best birthday presents that I had ever received. Finally, it's my birthday. I've been waiting for this day